Hello folks, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches so that they can help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a unique opportunity, folks, so I recommend that you seize it today. I have identified this product in the first link below. Now back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Bonus number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr so that when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a lower price and then you sell it to your buyer at a higher price and you pocket the difference. And bonus number 4 shows you how to earn up to $186 in a day in just 3 simple steps. It's a straightforward process, and you can easily follow it while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. Now, you receive a high done for you converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And bonus number 5 shows you how the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates and much, much more. Now, you can look at the 7-day marketer review by listening to one of my coaches, Trevor Carr, as he introduces this product. And by the way, Trevor Carr, Fergal Downs, and Max Gerstenmaier are coaches of mine. So I highly recommend this product.
What if there was a way that we could show you that we've tested, that works, that makes you money without doing anything other than pretty much sending a message, and you have someone else do all the work for you for a fraction of the cost that you pay them? Sounds too good to be true, I know, but we've been doing this for the past few months, and to be honest, we're blown away by the results. And we're ready to share that with you right now. And guess what? This doesn't need or use AI, and even if you've never heard of this weird and ridiculously simple way of making money, I'm telling you, you can do it. Hey, it's Trevor here, and on behalf of my launch partners, Fergal and Max, we'd like to say a big warm welcome to you, and thanks for checking out this video. Now, you may know, if you've seen any of our stuff before, that we are big fans of solutions that don't require any work. So we're always looking for ways that you can make money that are kind of set and forget, or at least means that you don't have to do much at all in order to get your money. And believe you me, we've got a real winner in this one. Now, we're always in the background testing these things to make sure that they work. And this one ticks all the boxes. So we're really excited to bring this to you today, and at such a cheap price. In fact, this is so cheap, I believe we're almost giving this away. It's a complete and utter no-brainer. We give a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk whatsoever, and after the launch the price is going to go up. So your best opportunity is to jump in right away. You're going to get instant access to the secret strategies that we've tested and mastered that flat out work, regardless if you've never done anything like this before. Now let's see if you're qualified. Let me ask you a few questions. Do you have access to the internet? Can you type a simple message? Congratulations, you are qualified. Now, making money online is not as complicated as you might think it is. You've probably just not done the right thing yet. And that's the trouble. When we first start out, we don't really know what's going to work and what's not. So that's why you're better off coming on board with somebody like us, because we test it for you first. We test it, we make sure it works, and then we release it at a dirt cheap price, just like we're doing today. But the price does go up after the launch, so now is the time to get in. So will this work? Yes. Unlike so many offers you see online claiming to have the solution to making money, we only release what we've tested and found to work. Aside from the initial payment, are there any other costs? No, because you'll be getting someone else to do the work. You don't get them to do that until you get the order. So you get paid a handsome fee, you then pay the person to do all the work for a fraction of what you got paid, while you do whatever you want. So you don't need any cash reserves and you'll never be out of pocket. What's more, we also reveal 6 super effective traffic strategies that we've also tested that we know work like a charm. So as you can see, we have a full cash cow right here. Now during the launch, we'll be almost giving this away. Really, really cheap. And we have a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have zero risk. After the launch, the price goes up, so don't kick yourself later. Grab this right away, and within minutes you can get started on this amazing opportunity. Now this is a super simple strategy that will work for anybody regardless of your experience. You don't need any techie skills, you don't need any design skills, you don't need to be able to write sales copy, you don't need to be able to create sales videos, none of that stuff. You're basically going to get somebody else to do all the work for you, and you'll never be out of pocket because you get an order for a handsome fee and then you pay somebody else to do the work for a fraction of that cost, and you keep all the profit. Now don't worry, we show you exactly how to do this step by step in easy to follow over the shoulder videos so you can be up and running in no time at all. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead, grab this right now and we'll see you on the other side. All the best.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.